Good morning, Sapa. So today, wala kay fog, but bugnaw yapon. But first time nakita ko sa atbang na bukid. So I'm preparing and waiting alam sundo no para mo adto na sa lain na province sa Hanoi. Thank you, Sapa. See you in Hanoi. So look how efficient the bus transport in Vietnam. So they're gonna pick you up kung saan ka stay sa Sapa, at the same time ita-drop off ka dun sa kung saan ka stay sa Hanoi. So this is the red bus, yung parang limousine. Yung limited number lang ng box. Bus stop. After an hour travel. So pwede na ka mag washroom, whatever you want to do. And buy some snacks. Look how clean the bus. And borrow slippers. Let's buy snacks. And coffee. It's bus stop. Coconut coffee for 60 from there. It's making it. Try this one. Cheese nuts. So it's good to go now. Sumabi. The presidential seat. You get a warmer, red one, then cooler for your seat. So if you feel like you are so cold, then you can just adjust to get warm. Then to recline up and down. Then I don't know what this is. And welcome to Hanoi. In addition, you get a bottle of water as well. All trips. One bottle of water and one wipes, no, for I don't know, whatever you wish na gamitin siya. So this is the view, guys. I see traffic lights, trees, and everything. Drop off. Weather is just like in the Philippines. Actually, the hotel is just nearby na lang, but part of the trip for them to drop you off doon kung anong binok mo. Kaya ito kami sa Kayawagan dito. From the bus, lipat.